Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is Shivam here. And in this video I'm going to be talking about how to format a drive for Mac and PC compatibility. All format, that which format is required for which reason. So everything we're going to talk about on this video. So if you are new to my channel, just consider to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified. So whenever I upload the video, you should get that. So let's get into it. If you have an external hard drive or USB flash drive that you would like to use on both Macs and Windows PC, choosing the right file system to format a drive can be confusing. So in this video, you're going to be learning few ways to make your drive and Mac PC friendly. So need to access or transfer files between macOS and PC. As simple as this task sounds, it's not very straightforward for unexperienced users since macOS and Windows is totally different file system. The way drive is formatted can be determined what type of computer it will work with it. In fact, there are ways you can format an external USB flash drive to achieve varying degrees of compatibility between macOS and PCs. Let's take a look at them. Now if you see, I have connected my Seagate Backup Plus, and if you right click on Get Info, my drive is on NTFS format, and that is basically the format which is native Windows file system is NTFS, and which is only partially compatible with macOS. And macOS can be read files on NTFS drives, but it cannot write to them. So if you need to get the files from PC to Mac, NTFS is the decent option. However, you won't be able to move files in the other direction from Mac to PC. If you want to use your hard drive for Windows version and the Mac version at the same time, you want to copy both for both operating system. So the next format will be very useful for you guys. To use any format, you're gonna need to format your backup drive, and to get that, you go to disk utility, and you can see I'm on backup plus drive, and you can see I have a 1 TB drive and it's running on NTFS format. So I'm gonna change this to ExFAT format, which is basically support macOS and Windows version at the same time. To format your backup drive, go to erase button and make sure you take a backup, because it will delete all the data from your drive, so it cannot be undone. So make sure to take a backup. One more thing, every time you format your drive, you're gonna need to give a different name than the previous one, and then select the format which you're gonna format. I'm gonna be selecting ExFAT because I have a Windows and the Mac OS. I'm gonna be using this for the both systems. Another format I'm going to be showing you that now, if you want to use if you only want to use on your MacBook, and then you're going to be selecting MacOS Extended format. So that format will be supporting for your time machine, so that you can copy your entire MacBook on your hard drive, and also you can at the same time you can copy files and time machine backup time to time. So that is the best format macOS user. So if you want to use for Windows and macOS, then ExFAT file system will be the best format for your backup drive. Once you rename it and select your format, then go ahead and erase it. It will start formatting your drive, and once you are done, now you can see that backup drive is already formatted, and you can simply drag and drop any file you want from your MacBook or Windows on your hard drive, and also you can copy from your drive, and you can paste it on your MacBook and Windows at the same time. So this format will work for both. And one more quick point is this format won't support for time machine backup for your MacBook. So for that you needed macOS Extended version. So make a note on that. So hope you guys understand. So that's it for today, and if you have any queries about this, if you didn't understand anything what I'm trying to saying, is go ahead and comment in this comment section. I'll be available for 24/7, and I'll be answering for your all questions. So if you want to see anything jailbreak related videos and all that, I'll link down below in the description. So this is Shivam signing off, and it's always peace.